Ja, hör gesund und komm mit Glück, seh jede Woche Brivele schick. Dein Mames Herz, mein Kind, der Quick. A Brivele der Mame, oi sollst du nicht versammeln, oi schreib geschwind, mein Liebkind, oi schenk ihr die Nechame, die Mame wird dein Brivele lesen, oi und sie wird genesen, oi heilst ihr Schmerz, ihr bitter Herz, der quickste Hirdine Schame. Das 8. Jahr, ich bin allein, das Kind ist weit verschwommen, das Kinderscharz ist hart wie Stein, kein einzig Brief bekommen. Wie kann mein Kind nach oben Mut, wie geht ihm ein das Leben? Es muss ihm gehen dort, sehr gut, will kein Nachricht geben. Ich hab ihm geschickt 100 Brief und hat noch kein schon begriff, als meine Schmerzen sind sehr tief. A Brivele der Mame, oi sollst du nicht versammeln, oi schreib geschwind, mein Liebkind, oi schenk ihr die Nechame, die Mame wird dein Brivele lesen, oi und sie wird genesen, oi heilst ihr Schmerz, ihr bitter Herz, der quickste Hirdine Schame. In Stadt New York, a Reihe Häus, mit Herzer und Gefühlen. Dort wohnt der Sohn, lebt Greis, mit a glückliche Familie. A schöne Freu und Kinder 2, mit lichtige Gestalten. Und als sitzt und quält von See, hat a Brief der halten. Dein Mutter tot, es ist geschehen, in Leben hast du ihr versehen, das ist ihr letzter Wunsch gewesen. Akkade Schuld der Mamen, oi sollst du nicht versammeln, oi sag geschwind, mein Liebkind, oi schenk ihr die Nechame, die Mame wird dein Kat Herz, der quickst dir wieder
Let me try something. How do I stop it? How am I stopping this stuff?
We don't hear it anymore.
You don't hear it? Okay. I was hearing it, so
No.
Okay, so let me do that.
Jackpot. We have 32 people today.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
So,
Julie,
Mari,
Yeah, you got it. Yeah.
now we will go through
Yeah.
now we will go through this one without the music. So, Abriva letter mame. Let's. Okay. Andrew, can you start reading it?
Numerous Yiddish play.
Sorry?
I'm having trouble finding the mute.
We
Can't
hear
tap the
you,
mute.
Andrew. We
We
hear
can hear
you.
you. We can hear you. Can you see the screen?
Numerous Yiddish plays and musicals dealt with the mass immigration of Jews to America, and we have seen a number of films on the subject. Joseph Green directed the film Avrevele der Mama, A Letter to Mom, in 1938 in Poland. It is about Dobrich, the long-suffering mother whose husband flees the poverty with becoming a peddler in America, whose daughter runs off to Odessa, whose older son is killed fighting for the Kaiser, whose younger son Adele appears to become a singing star in America. By the title of the film and its theme song, Avrevele der Mama, has been written much earlier in 1907 by Shlomi Solomon Shmulevich, who has been born in Pinsk and had come to the U.S. in 1893. The song was immensely popular. Boris Tomaszewski performed it numerous times. It was recorded in 1908. Vikin means to revive or to substitute. Parthemen means to delay or miss. These are three Schmadish words: Nachricht, news; Gensen, to recover from a sickness. Garen gladly. Judy Bressler sings it with the Klezmer Conservatory Band.
Okay, thank you. Der Quicken is to revive or resuscitate. Okay. And yeah, Boris Tomaszewski used to sing it a lot in his memoirs. He says that whenever when he was playing and whenever the crowd got too rowdy, he started singing this song and everyone became quiet. So that was, yeah. Okay, so let's start with the Yiddish. Bob, can you start?
Mein Kind, mein Treist, du forst weg. Ze, sei azun aguter. Dich bet mit Tränen und mit Schreck dein treue, liebe Mutter. My son, my comfort, you're going away, and see, be a good son. Your loyal mother, with tears in her eyes and with fear, is asking you. Du forst mein Kind, mein einzig Kind. Mein einzig Kind. Arriba weiter Jomen. Ach,
ja.
komm hin, nur frisch, gesund und nicht vergiss dein Mutter.
Mammon. Mammon.
Your mammon. You're going, my child, my only child, across a wide seas. Go there in fresh health, in complete health, and don't forget your mother.
Good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks. Maurice, anything to add?
Fine. Let me just see. No, that's fine. Good.
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 Thank you. Thank you, Bob. Yeah.
It's really a beautiful song.
It is.
Very
It's really
sad
beautiful.
song.
Oh my
The
God.
five
Well,
hankies.
very Yiddish.
5 hankies. Yeah, 5
Five
hankies. It touches you. Yeah. Okay. Cookie, can you read?
Yeah, thank you. Ja, vorgesungen. Something went on there. And komm, sei jede Woche a brivele schick dein Mammes Herz, mein Kind, der quick. So, yeah, you're going away, and go with joy, with good health, joy, and all. And write to your mother often, and you will hearten like the mama's hearts. Yeah, you will lighten her heart, and to quick the mama's hearts. How would I literally say that? You would bring joy. You would lift her spirits and all that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Good. Very good, Cookie. Thank you.
Okay.
Very good. Nice. Elaine, can you continue?
Yes, okay. Abrivele der Mammen, sollst du nicht versammeln? A letter to your mother, you shouldn't delay. Schreib geschwind, mein Liebkind, schenk ihr die Nechama. Write soon, my dear child, give her that comfort. Give her
Write quickly, geschwind.
right quickly. Yeah, I said right. Oh, geschwind, quickly. Okay. Die Mama wird dein Briefe lesen und sie wird genesen. Your mother will read your letter and she will recover. She'll recover.
It's not recover.
To be
It's
healed.
She'll be healed.
To be
Okay.
healed.
Okay.
This
Health ihr Schmerz, you'll heal her pain. Ihr bitter heart, her bitter heart, and der quickst ihr die Neshama. You'll refresh or delight her soul.
Good.
good. Thank you. Thanks. Okay, Hilda, can you continue?
Sorry, I had to unmute.
Okay.
Das achte Jahr, ich bin allein. Das Kind ist weit verschwunden. Oh, is it verschwunden? No,
Woman.
verschwommen. Yes. Does the 8th year I am alone. The child has swum away.
Yeah.
Is that right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Das kinderisch Haut ist Haut wie Stein. Kein einzig Wort,
Brief.
no, kein
Brief.
brief bekommen. The 8th year I am alone. The child has swum far away. Her child's heart is hard as a stone. No letter has been received.
Good.
Okay.
Go.
Wie kann mein Kind noch haben Mut? Wie geht ihm ein das Leben? Es muss ihm gehen dort sehr gut, will kein Nachricht geben. How can my child still have, what is Mut?
Spirit, courage.
Still have courage. How are things? Wie geht ihm ein das Leben? How is his life going?
Good.
Things there must be going very well for him, and he doesn't have any news to give me. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
I mean, it's
Yeah.
implied that things are going well, but he doesn't send me any news.
No.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
I didn't get my hand up in time. So Nachricht is news?
News,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
News, okay.
Yeah. That's German.
Yeah.
Okay. Daniel, can you read, Daniel? He may not be here. Maurice Narunski.
Habe ihm geschickt 100 Brief. I've sent him 100 letters. Und hat noch kein Schum. Begriff. Als meine Schmerzen. Seinen sehr tief. There are a lot of words here I don't know. Und hat noch kein Scham, and he doesn't have any. Was ist Scham?
He doesn't have any at all. He doesn't have any idea at all.
Okay. Begriff? Was ist Begriff?
Begriff is an idea. He has no conception.
Okay. Als meine Schmerzen, ich weiß nicht, was ist Schmerzen?
It's pain, my pain.
My pain. Meine Schmerzen seien sehr tief. My pain is very deep.
Right. That's right.
Yeah.
Because he doesn't write to her.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Maurice. Sandy, can you continue?
Abrivele der Mammen, sollst du nicht versammeln.
So,
Schreib geschwind, mein lieb Kind. Schenk ihr die Nachumme. A letter to the mother. You should not forget her. Please write quickly, my darling child. Send her a Nachumme, send her some consolation. Die Mama wird dein Briefele lesen und sie wird genesen. She'll read your letter and her heart will become enthusiastic. Her heart will be lifted up. Helst ihr Schmerzen. Heal her pain. her bitter heart. Der, well, that word's a difficult one. Der Kvickst. You lighten ihr der Neshama. You enlighten her soul.
Good.
Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you. Rochelle, yes?
The word der Quicken has the English cognate to quicken, which means
That's right.
to, to make alive, to feel
Right.
Yeah,
that's
to
becoming alive.
Right, to quicken the dead is to raise the dead.
Yeah. So I think that makes the word a little easier to understand if you
Sure.
see cognate.
Okay, good. Thank you. Okay. Steve, can you continue?
Ich will prove. A Brievele der Mamen, sollst du nicht
No, that's what we read. Sorry. That's the next one. Sorry.
Well, it'd be easier if I did the one that somebody already translated.
Yeah. Try. Maurice will help you out. Yes.
In Stadt New York, a Reichshaus mit Herzer on Gefühlen. In the city of New York, a rich house with heart, without feeling.
Good.
Yes?
Good.
Okay. Dort wohnt ihr Sohn. What?
Point.
Oh, dort wohnt Sohn. Lebt groß mit glückliche Familie. Familie.
Right.
There lives our son. Our son. Her son. Year. Okay. He lives he lives large.
He was living high. He's living very well.
Okay. I was a modern locution of that particular phrase, living large. Groß mit with a healthy family,
happy family.
Happy family. Yeah. A beautiful wife, a schöne Frau, und Kinder zwei mit lichtige Gestalten. Und als sitzt und quält vom See, hat a Brief dar halten. He has a beautiful wife and two children with Gestalten. With like live spirits, with light spirits.
Gestalt is a face, so yeah.
Okay.
Bright faces.
With lit up faces.
Right.
And that he sits and quells from them. Has he a letter to I don't know what Darhalton is to have to send?
He received the letter.
Oh, did he receive the letter? I see.
Right. In that the sentence before, in the line before, un as sitzt. In this context, it's and when he is sitting, as he is sitting. As.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Steve. You see, it wasn't so bad.
I like the translation of quell as quell.
Wo denn? Was ist ein anderer Wort für quell?
Quell is quell. Okay, Zuli, go on, Zuli.
Alright. Dein Mutter zeugt, es ist geschehen. Your mother is dead. It just happened. In Leben hast du ihr vergessen? No, versehen. Das ist ihr letzter Wunsch gewesen. You forgot about her. This is the last letter
Not later, Wunsch,
The
Wien.
last wish.
Oh, this is your last wish.
Mhm.
A Kiddushel,
Kadishel.
Kiddushel der Namen sollst du nicht versammeln. So geschehen, mein liebe Kind. A small Kaddish for the mother. You cannot forget. Geschweigt is being mute, no?
Geschwind is quickly, say it quickly.
Oh, quickly. Say it quickly, my loved child. Schenk dir die Nechume, a gift for your soul. A schenken is to give a gift to your soul. Is that right?
No, it's not Neshama, it's Nechama.
Consolation.
Let's Maurice do it.
Yeah, Nechum is consolation. Send her the consolation that she's been waiting for all these years.
Okay.
You didn't give it to her all those years. Now that she's dead, Shenka di Nechuma. Send her the consolation that she deserves.
Okay. Thank
When
you.
say something, you don't see my hand, but I just want, when you say Zolsnit Versammen, how are you translating that into English? I
It's
wanted
like, don't fail to say it. Don't
to spoil it.
omit it.
Because
You haven't said it all those years. Now, don't miss it. It's your
Don't
last chance.
But if something is versamt, isn't that poisoned?
No, that's
No.
sun. Sun with a sun.
Versammen isn't together, something all
That's
together.
zusammen. This
That's
is
zusammen.
zusammen. As to miss an opportunity, to fail an obligation.
Zusammen. Okay, I say
It's like to withhold it from her, not to
Right.
keep. Yeah.
Right.
Exactly, Hilda. Yeah. Morty, yes?
Yeah, I was just going to say that farzamen, the root is, the word comes from zomen, which is to delay. And farzamen in this context, I would understand it as do not delay it.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean, how much longer is she going to wait?
Right.
So when you say versäumst du mein Tier in a song, versäumst du, what does versäumst du mean? It's the same thing, sort of. Was versäumst du mein Tier? Click, was versäumst du mein Tier?
Why are you avoiding my door? Right.
Avoiding?
For forsake.
Right. That's right. That's to avoid. Why are you passing by my door?
I thought
another great song.
Yeah, we have done it. We have done that song.
Yeah, we've done that. Right, sure.
But
That's
that comes from
muzzle.
Yes.
Mazel.
Right. Why does muzzle pass by my door?
I thought it meant poison because zam.
No,
it's some is poison. This versäumen is to avoid, to pass by.
Thank. I thought.
Right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, Judy, please try.
All right. Die Mama dein wait a minute. Kiddushel Herren
and Kadishel
Herren in ihr Keve Garen. Garen. So the mother will in her wait a minute, will hear the Kiddush in her grave.
She'll hear the Kaddish.
Yeah.
What did I say? Sorry. She'll hear the Kaddish in her grave.
The Kaddish, it's the mourner's.
Right, the mourner's Kaddish in her grave.
Right. And Gern is also Germanic. It means gladly. She'll gladly hear it in her grave.
She'll gladly hear the okay.
Kaddish, right.
Kaddish in her grave. His health Helts ihr Schmerz, ihr bitter Herz. I don't know what that means.
You will heal her pain, the pain that he's been causing her all these years.
Oh,
Now
in her-
you will heal her pain in the grave.
ihr bitter Herz in her,
Her bitter heart.
yeah, her
You
bitter
will
heart.
heal her-
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Der Gwitz ihr die Neshama. And the same thing. Herzl ihr Schmerz, ihr bitter Herz. Der Querz ihr. One more, okay?
Yes, the Kvix, that's it.
If it's ihr die Neshama, you will make her feel better, or
Right. You will resuscitate her soul. You will refresh her soul.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Thank you,
Thank
Judy.
you.
Thanks.
Yeah, thank
Susan,
you.
yeah.
I think in this case, the Kaddishal is not the prayer, the Kaddish, but it's the son or the grandson that will say the Kaddish, because it's a very important concept that du sollst Kaddishal. Amitzen was verzogen Kaddish for dir. So it's the person and not the prayer.
Kadishal is used that way to refer to the kid, but in this context, the mama vet dein Kadishal Herrn.
Hamas.
So the narrator is saying your mom will hear your Kaddish. The Kaddish
But then if you were referring to the prayer, you wouldn't call it a Kaddishal.
Well,
The
in this
Kaddishal
context-
is your family member who will say Kaddish for you. It's
Well,
like an
obviously,
endearment.
In 1908, when this song was written, the word Kadishal was used to also mean the prayer itself. I mean, I didn't make up these words. Shmulevich did in 1908. So
But usually Kadishal is referring to the son that
the
says
person, right? But here it's being used
Usually.
in a different way, right?
That's fine. That's okay. That's
Okay. Okay, thanks. Morty, you wanted to say something, Morty? Morty, I saw that you raised your hand. No?
He's
Sorry, Maurice already explained it clearly enough. Kadishal,
okay.
yes, Kadishal referred in conversation means the person who is going to say Kaddish, but in the context, it clearly refers to the prayer.
The prayer,
And the
right.
mother,
Okay.
the mother or whoever is talking for her is talking about the Kaddish as something dear, as something caring.
Right. Can I say something?
Yes, you can, Leah.
All right. When my grandfather died in Israel many years ago, my mother was an only child and she was living in the States. She paid somebody to be the Kaddishal, to say the prayers for him for a year. Did you ever hear of that before?
Yes, it's common in Israel.
Yes, it's common in America too.
Okay, yeah, because I know that it's common in Israel to do that. Yeah,
It's common everywhere.
it's common everywhere. Okay,
That's how Chabad makes a lot of money.
exactly. I didn't.
It's because a woman couldn't say Kaddish. We could say it, but it didn't fulfill.
Yeah,
the,
I
the-
didn't
the
want to say
obligation.
it, but yeah, Steve.
Yeah,
Yes.
The Chabad say it for both my parents, the Lubavitch down in Crown Heights. Yeah, I paid ahead of time, even for myself. Who's going to say it? My son won't say it for me. So
Who cares?
Huh?
Yeah. Okay, Steve.
No, I was just gonna add that my aunt paid somebody to name her child after her late husband, because when her daughter had a child, they didn't name him properly. So not just a Kadishal, you can actually pay somebody to name a kid for your late relative.
Yeah. Beverly? Guys, there is a music somewhere. So if you listen to the TV or to the radio, Please turn it off.
So the point was you had to have someone who prayed every day, who went to shul, who was religious. And my brother-in-law, Aaron, who did that every day, when one of my uncles died, he said Kaddish for my uncle, but all he asked for was a picture of my uncle, which he kept in his hand when he said the Kaddish. So I thought it was a beautiful thought. So yes, not everybody could do that. Not everybody could read Hebrew, and not everybody was religious. And if it was a woman, it was even a worse problem.
You have to get up 5 o'clock in the morning almost every day to get to shul. You know,
Okay, we will listen once again. It's a beautiful song. So let's listen to it once again, and I will put up where is it? I just have to find where it is. And we are going now.
Go back. Yeah, YouTube went forward, so
yes, yeah, I see.
There it is.
Yeah.
Mein Kind, mein Tres, du forst da weg, ze sei also na guter, dich bet mit Tränen und mit Schreck, dein treue liebe Mutter, du forst mein Kind, mein einzig Kind, a rüberweite Amen. Ach, komm hin, nur frisch gesund und nicht vergess dein Mamen. Ja, fahr gesund und komm mit Glück, ze jede Woche Briefe schick. Dein Mames Herz, mein Kind, der Quick. A Briefe der Mame, oi sollst du nicht versammeln, oi schreib geschwind, mein Liebkind, oi schenk ihr die Nechame, die Mame wird dein Briefele lesen, oi und sie wird genesen, oi heilst ihr Schmerz, ihr bitter Herz, der quickste Hirdine Schame. Das 8. Jahr, ich bin allein, das Kind ist weit verschwommen, das Kinderscharz ist hart wie Stein, kein einzig Brief bekommen. Wie kann mein Kind nach oben Mut, wie geht ihm ein das Leben? Es muss ihm gehen dort, sehr gut, will kein Nachricht geben. Ich hab ihm geschickt 100 Brief, und hat noch kein schon begriff, als meine Schmerzen sind sehr tief. A Briefe der Mame, oi sollst du nicht versammeln, oi schreib geschwind, mein liebe Kind, oi schenk ihr die Nechame, die Mame wird dein der quickste Herd in der Schome. In Stadt New York, a Reihe Häus, mit Herzer und Gefühlen. Dort wohnt der Sohn, lebt Greis, mit a glückliche Familie. A schöne Freu und Kinder zwei, mit lichtige Gestalten. Und als sitzt und quält von See, hat a Brief derhalten. Dein Mutter tot, es ist geschehen, in Leben hast du ihr versehen.
Hello.
Das
How are you? Let me
jetzt dir Wunsch geben. A Kaddischul der Mamen, oi sollst du nicht versammeln, oi sag geschwind, mein Liebkind, oi schenk ihr die Nechame. Die Mame wird dein Kaddischl Herrn, oi, in ihr Käfer gern, oi, hey,
Hola Alex, ¿cómo estás?
Schmerz, ihr bitter Herz, der quickste Herd in der Schone. Und heilst ihr Schmerz, ihr bitter Herz, der quickste Herd in der
Bravo.
Okay. I see that Rochelle raised her hand. Yes, Rochelle?
There's kind of the irony there that while he's quelling about his own kids, he gets the note that his mother has passed away and he never gave her the satisfaction of allowing her the quelling.
But it's done so spooky. Yeah, it's okay.
What is Nechama? Neshama is the soul. What is Nechama?
It's consolation.
Sorry?
Consolation.
Consolation, right.
Like tröst.
Oh. Yes, comfort.
Comfort.
Right.
Yeah.
Any more comments on the song before we move to the story? Before we move to Sholem Aleichem and the crazy story about the two guys that are talking among themselves, and one is saying that he's crazily in love with the maid, but what can he do? She's stepping out, she's romancieren, Chaimkel the Melamed. And so, what can we do? The other one is bringing him poison to put in the tea. He's asking Chaimkel Melamed for tea, and he puts the poison in his tea. But suddenly, gendarmes are coming with the procurator and the doctor, and they're saying, don't drink it, it's poison. So, but in order to get out of the conundrum that he created, so Mr. Murderman, well, that's his name, he said, she did it. She did it. The Liesel, the maid, she did it. So she is arrested, and Heimkel den Melamed named the Pekel of the Pleitze and fort weg nach Paris. So that's where we stop. It will be a really good antithesis to the song, because the song is so powerful and so heart-clenching, and this is so light and crazy that it will be a really, really good antithesis. So we are moving to the story, yes? Okay. So that's the story. Okay. So let me just, I'll get to the place and I will make it bigger. So here, Heimkel de Melamed, Graf Tarnegol von Paris. And I made it bigger. I hope it's big enough. And Susan, can you start reading it, Susan?
What page?
Here, Drittelteil.
Oh, the third? Drittelteil.
Drittelteil.
Heimke de Melamed, Graf Tarnegol von Paris. The third part. Heimke, the teacher, the prince, Tarnegol, which is a joke because it's a rooster in Hebrew, the prince rooster from Paris. Sorer Rive, die Kechen, is gewein an Agune von a Kleinstädtel, Pokolje. Sarah Rive, the cook, was an abandoned wife from a little town called Pokolje. 2 Jahre nach der Chassene hat sie der Mann weggeworfen. 2 years after the wedding, she threw out her husband.
No,
the other way.
The other way. The other way.
The husband
Other
threw
way.
her out.
The husband threw her out.
Oh.
What on?
Germana.
See, der Mann, mass is the nominative. That's the
Hat
subject.
sie der Mann weggeworfen. She threw out her husband.
No, he threw her out.
Oh, the husband threw her out. Excuse me. Ja, hat sie der Mann weggeworfen.
Can you show
When
where
her husband threw her out mit 2 pitzele Kinder with 2 little babies. A jingele mit a mädele, a boy and a girl. Chaimke mit Leetje. Little Chaim with little Leah. Welche gute Leute haben zugenommen zu sich, which some good people took them in, und die Agune Nebuch hat sich gelost von Stutt zu Stutt suchen ihr Mann. And the abandoned woman, Nebuch, sadly, had to go from town to town to look for her husband. Bis sie ist gekommen kein Livne und hat sich gestellt vor a Kechen by Reb Shmerel Merderman until she became a cook for Reb Shmerel Merderman, Mr. Merderman. Welche is gewein versteht sich Taka ihr Mann und who was, you understand, really her husband, welche sie hat bald erkannt, and she had recognized him immediately, nur sie hat sich gemacht tamavata, but she acted stupid like she didn't know. Weil sie hat nicht gehabt kein Papier, because she had no papers, she had no proof.
Yeah.
Hat sie weggeschrieben kein Pakulje zum Rav Abrivel, so she sent away a letter to the rabbi, a letter. Soll zuschicken a Papier, he should send her a document. Und derweil hat sie Nebuch gemusst schweigen. And meantime, she had to keep quiet. Stehen Tag wie Nacht beim Oven. And she was standing by the oven day and night. Wie groß is aber gewesen ihr Wunder, als sie hat erkennt, and how great was her surprise when she realized, ihr kennt in Chaimke, der Melamed, ihr Sohn Chaimke, when she realized that Chaim the Melamed was her son Chaimke. Und in Lise hat Dienst, und in Lise das Dienstmädel, ihr Tochter Leitje, and in called the one who was called Liza, the servant girl, was actually her daughter Leitje. Und sie hat gar nicht gekonnt machen, and she couldn't do anything. Warum der Pakulier Rav hat ihr noch als nicht zugeschickt die Papieren. She couldn't do anything because the Pakolia rabbi, the rabbi from Pakolia, had not sent her her papers yet. Wie groß ist aber gewesen ihr Schmerz, but her pain was so great, als sie ist geworden von dem Unglück, that she realized the bad luck as ihr Chaimke Nebuch is weg in Paris, that sadly her Chaimke went away to Paris, und ihre Tochter Lise ist versteckt in Ostrog, and her daughter is away in jail. Volle Teichen Tränen hat Nebuch Sura Rivke die unglückliche Kirchen vergossen. Full lakes of tears. She sadly Sarah Rivka, the unlucky cook, spilled out. A ganze fountain, a complete fountain of tears.
Okay, Susan, let's stop here because I see that people are asking questions. So let's stop for a moment. Yes, Marsha?
Was mean Ostrog?
I looked it up and it said jail.
It's prison, yeah, jail, prison.
Prison.
Yeah. Okay, Rafael?
But it's not the usual word. I never heard it before.
It's not Fise, it's Russian.
In a Shenim
just a moment. There are other people who wants to. Rafael and then Morty.
Yeah, the word teich can mean lake, but only in northern Yiddish. Usually it means river. So here, full of teich and trern, entire rivers of tears is how I would translate that.
Yeah. Okay, and Morty?
Already Rafael beat me to it.
He beat you to it. Okay, so go on, Susan.
In a Shenim free morgen, in etliche Jahre rum, in a nice morning, and a few years later, is sie gesessen auf der Kirchbank. She was sitting on the bench in the kitchen bench, und hat gesungen sehr a moralisch Lied mit Minornem Nigen, and she was singing a very moral song or with song with a lesson, with singing in a minor key. So she was singing a sad song.
Okay, thank you, Susan. And I think the song is for Rafael because, that's for a Nigen. Go on, Raphael.
Keinem hat noch auf der Welt als Unglück nicht getroffen. No one in the world has seen such misfortune. Als der Mann soll wegwerfen und der Sohn soll fliehen kein Paris. That the husband should throw away his wife, I guess, and the son should be flying to Paris. Die Tochter soll sitzen in Ostrog. Such a misfortune that the daughter should be sitting in prison. Und das Weib soll nicht aufhören zu hoffen. But the wife should never stop hoping. Seine Kirchen bei ihrem Mann und tragen sein Caprice. And being a cook at her husband's house and carry and bear his capriciousness. Plötzlich, sagt die Tier. Suddenly the door opens. Und es kommt rein in Kirche rein, sehr reicher Mann. And in comes into the kitchen, very rich person. Mit der Sach Ordens, with a lot of medals. Und ruft sich an zu Sarah Riven and addresses Sarah Riven and says, Ich habe die Ehre, mich vorzustellen, Graf Tarnagol von Paris. In German, of course. I have the honor to introduce myself. I am Graf Tarnagol. I am Prince Rooster from Paris. Chaimke, mein Sohn! Schreit euch Sarah Riva. My son, Chaimke! Sarah Riva calls out, die Kirchen, the cook, und fällt in Ohnmacht and falls senseless. Mein Mutter! Mein unglückliche Mutter! This is, after all, Schund literature. My mother, my unhappy mother! Schreit euch der Graf Tarnagol, calls out Graf Tarnagol, und fällt in Ohnmacht and falls senseless.
So just before we continue, I see that Marsha, yes?
What was Ohnmacht?
Just a moment.
Haben sounds Deutsch.
It's Deutsch, it's
Yes,
German.
it's German.
It's German.
But what is it? What means that?
I have the honor.
I have the honor.
Okay.
Yeah. But the way that it's put together, it's German, total German. Okay, a little bit more, Raphael.
Per der Tale. Wie Bäumel auf dem Wasser. Fourth section, like oil on water. Reb Shmerel Merderman sitzt bei sich im Kabinett mit Reb Refuel Schechtman und man zählt Geld. Mr. Shmerel Motorman is sitting in his house, in his cabinet. It's kind of his workroom, his study, with Mr. Raphael Schechtman, a butcher, and they're counting money. Schön fertig bei dir auf dem Psalmen, alles, Raphael? Is everything ready in the cemetery, Raphael? Noch amin fertig. Well, literally, what, and what a sort of ready. But I would say, and how? Heint bei Nacht, darum Säger 2, nimmt man a frischen Gemäß und man wart unter dem Hiegengewehr. Now, tonight, about 2 in the morning, we're going to take a fresh corpse and throw it into throw it next to the house of, literally throw it under the local rich man. Sie scheinen viele great bei mir in Keshne am Mesirele euch. I've already got ready in my pocket a note of denunciation. Nu, an Edis hast du bestellt? Ja, and do you have witnesses already? Noch amin Edis. And how? A halbe Stadt wird bei mir gehen schweren. Half the town is ready to swear, as man hat im gesehen, tragen a teuten Mensch, that they saw him carrying a dead person for die Fies, dragging him by its feet. That geben $1 million is good. If he gives us $1 million, that's good. Ella nicht, but if not, that by mir verfeuert werden in Ostrog. He's going to rot, as far as I'm concerned, in jail. That $1 million sein, Yachtov, Raful. Will the $1 million rubles be, now how am I going to translate Yachtov? By themselves?
But yeah,
Divided 50-50?
Yeah, that is
maybe.
together, but I think
It's together, yeah.
Divided. Yeah,
Yeah, it will be $1 million together. Yeah, Raphael. Noch $1 million. And how? Ehrenwort? You give your honest word on your honor? Benemonis. In truth. Benemonis means
it's like swearing. It's like
you can
swearing.
be confident in it.
Okay. Thank you, Raphael. Beverly, yes, Beverly.
I'm not sure what's happening. They're going to bury another person or something next to the rich person?
Okay, so Raphael, can you tell
Sure.
them?
The partners are working on another trick in order to raise money. They are going to accuse the rich man of town of murdering someone. And the way they're going to do it is by taking a fresh corpse and hiding it near his house. They already have witnesses that
near his house
dragged it, and it's a form of extortion.
Yeah, they're blackmailing.
They're blackmailing. Yeah,
exactly.
That's the word. That's the word. They will blackmail him, so he won't have a choice but to give the money. Okay, so everything is clear until now with this crazy story?
More or less.
More or less. Okay.
Kind of.
Okay, kind of. Okay.
I want to know what happened.
Plotting in the background again. That's
but the prior story with discovery of the sun. I mean, is that still hanging in the background?
Yeah.
Are we a new story?
No. That's still hanging. They are just introducing again, the two bad men and what they are up to. And now we are going back to the family with the son and the daughter and so on. So, okay. Morty. Morty? Yeah, you are muted, Morty, that's why.
Sorry.
Plutzen.
Plötzlich öffnet sich die Tür und es kommt rein der Gobernator mit einem ganzen Volk Kosaken. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Please have somebody else.
Okay, no problem. I'll come to you later. Rochelle, please.
Okay, I'll read it again. Plötzlich öffnet sich die Tür und es kommt rein der Gouvernator mit ganzen Volk, Kosaken und Jardaren. Suddenly the door opens and in comes the governor.
Yes.
With a whole posse.
It's a regiment.
Regiment. Yeah. Okay. Cossacks and police. Merdermann und Schechtermann haben afilu gewollt herausspringen durch ein Fenster. And Merdermann and Schechtermann wanted to jump out the window. Ruft sich on zu say der Gubernator. So the governor says to them, stop. Und tut a Geschrei, man soll sie bald schmieden in Ketten, that they should be put in chains. Yeah, schmieden. Is that
to put in chain? It's to put in chain.
Okay, to put in chains. Und es tritt heraus der Graf Tarnegol von Paris I can't read these English words. Von Paris und ruft sich an zu Merdermans.
בזה הלשון, that's Hebrew.
Yes.
In this way. In this
Okay.
way.
So I lost my place. Stop.
Straight arroys der Graf Ternegol von Paris.
Okay, so the Prince of Paris comes in.
He comes forward. He comes forward.
He comes forward and tells Merderman, and I still don't know what that last word means.
בזה הלשון, in this way.
This way. Okay, so this is what he says. Zeist du Mörder, dem Sof, was du hast für alle Mörderein, was du hast aufgetan mit dein Schittiv Schächtermann bis heutigen Tag. Look, Murderman, the end of what you have was to host get to what you did with your partner Schachterman to this day. Ich hab aufgewiesen alle Jahre Eire in Genevis. I showed them all of your stealing on Gazels. Don't know the word. Gazelt. On
robberies.
I don't know these two words.
It's robberies. Gazlan is a robber, and Retziches is to murders.
Okay. So all of your thieving and murdering. Sag nur, du hast mich erkannt. Sie, nee. Did you recognize me, but not her?
Or not. C9, or not.
Oh, C9. Okay. Did you recognize me or not? Ich bin heimig der Orme Melamed, was hast mich vernarrt zu sich auf Tee. I am Heimike, the little teacher that you tricked at tea, und bevol mir samen, that you tricked me at tea and you wanted to poison me. Du Mensch, einer Kedei.
Okay. Du Mensch einer.
You're not
inhuman.
What?
You are inhuman, not a human.
Yeah. Bekadei du sollst kennen Chatina haben. Chasene haben mit mein geliebter Leser. You're inhuman in order that you wanted to marry my love Leser, welche ich hab nur was Arois genommen von Ostrog, that I have taken out of prison. Ot steht sie vor deine Augen. Here she is before your eyes. Du murderer, you murderer. Du despot, you despot. Gib uns up Mol Mazel Tov. Tell us Mazel Tov. Du Tyrann, your tyrant. Tell us Mazel Tov, you're tyrant. Then sie is mein geliebte Kala. She's my beloved bride. Ich will dich heiraten mit ihr. I will marry her quickly. Und sie wird tragen dem Nomen Gerief
Grafin, grafin. Tarnegolet is a hen. So
What
she
is
will be grafin hen.
Oh, and all right. I'm having trouble with those words.
It's Hebrew.
Yeah.
It's funny that he uses the feminine.
Yeah.
Tarnigol is a hen.
It's a hen,
Okay.
yeah. So just a moment before you continue. Rafael, yes, you want to? Rafael.
Yeah, I just wanted to point out that word den, it's very Germanic. You won't find it in standard Yiddish. It means because. Because she is my beloved bride.
Yeah. Okay. And Marsha, before we continue,
Yeah,
Marsha?
could you repeat that line? You think that we're all having trouble. You're having trouble reading it, and you don't understand the words. We don't understand the words either.
Okay.
Could you repeat those words again that you didn't understand?
Let me do it. They used to do murder. Do you see? You murderer. Dem Sof was du ost for alle Mörderereien. The Sof that you have for all the murders was du ost aufgetan mit dein Schutaf Schertmann bis eintigen Tag. The end to all the murders that you did together with your partner Schertmann until this day. I'm sorry, Rochelle, I just go over it. Okay,
No, that's fine. I'm glad you are, because although I understand it, it's helping me get a better notion of it.
Ich hab aufgewiesen alle eure Gneves und Gzeiles und Retziches. I showed all it's not more short.
Revealed.
I can't locate the cursor. Where?
Here. I revealed,
okay. Yeah. Okay. I don't.
All your thieving and robberies and murders. Zug no, say no. Du ost mir darken Sinai. Did you recognize me or not? Ich bin Chaimke dos Oreme Melomedl. I'm Chaimke, the poor Melamedl, was ost mich vernarrt that you cheated me, zu sich oiftai, that you asked me over for tie, und gewollt mich sammen, and you wanted to poison me. Du Unmensch einer, you inhuman one. Bichdei, du sollst kennen Chassene oben mit mein geliebte Lise, in order that you will be able to marry my beloved one, Lise. Welche ich ob nor was herausgenommen von Ostrov, that I took out from jail. Ot steigt sie vor deine Augen, du Mörder. Here she's standing in front of your eyes, you murderers. Du despot, you despot. Gib uns ob Mazel Tov. Give us a Mazel Tov. Du Tyrann.
Laser.
You tyrant. Then she is my geliebte Kale, because she's my beloved Kale, bride. Ich will dich heiraten mit ihr, I will soon marry her, und sie wird tragen den Namen Grafin Tarnegolet, and she will carry the name Grafin Tarnegolet is hen.
Princess Tarnegol or something.
Yeah. Warum mein Name is schon nicht Chaimke, because today my name is not Chaimke anymore, nor Graf Tarnegol, but Graf Rooster.
Nobleman.
Yeah. You want to continue, Rochelle?
Yeah.
Go on.
Ungeheuer reich und groß. I'm very rich and wealthy, big.
Yeah.
Wie Schmerzen hab ich aber getrogen, bis ich bin gekommen zu Asa heuche Madruge. How much pain did I go through before I came to such a high, I don't know how to translate Madrege. Level, okay. Wie viel Tränen haben mir beide vergossen, ich dorten und in Paris und sie, mein liebe teure Kalle, Lese, Nebech in Oster. How many tears did I cry? Each of us.
Both of us
cried. Me in Paris and she in jail.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Rochelle. David Katz, can you continue?
Ja, dank. Ja, was ist geschehen? Bei die Werte hat sich Heimke der Graf Turnagel bereits erwähnt. With these words, Count Turnagel broke out crying. As der Gubernator hat gemusst optreten ohne Zeit und ausschneiden die nose. And while the governor had to just needed to step aside to one side on Zeit and blow his nose. I guess. Fair enough. Ausschneiden die nose. Und viele die Kosaken mit die Gendarmen haben sich gewischt die Augen. Even the Cossacks with the police had to wipe their tears from their eyes. Gewischt die Augen. Nur ein Mördermann und sein Schutef Schechtman haben nicht geweint. Only Murderman and his accomplice Schechtman, they didn't cry. Sie sind gestanden, zugekoppelt, ein zum anderen und geguckt in der Erde rein. They just stood there kind of still and not moving and looked in the ground, looked in the floor. Der Gubernator hat nur gewollt abgeben, aber fell. Men soll sie wegfahren in Ostrog rein. The governor had wanted to issue a decree, Befehl, that they should be led away to prison, into prison, Ostrog. Plutzum, but this is really good. Plutzum, öffnet sich die Kichtür. Suddenly the kitchen door opened. Und es flieht rein so rüber. Die Köchin tut a Plesk mit die Hand und schreit euch zum ganzen Oilem. She suddenly, but right now, before anything happens, the kitchen door opens and Sora Reba, the mother, the cook, she bursts in, claps her hands, and screams to the entire everyone. Gott, du bist gerecht und dein Mishpat ist gerecht. Sein Wissen, Rebosum, as Murderman, das ist Taka meiner Aman. Oh my God, you are just, and your judgment is correct and just. Gentlemen, Murderman is my husband. Hat mich gemacht für eine Aguna. He made me, an Aguna.
Abandoned.
Yeah, I guess
Abandoned wife.
Abandoned wife, yeah. Ot kennt ihr sein, als seinen mehr Norvos ungekommen, die Papieren von unser Rov von Pakulia. You can see that just now arrived the papers from our rabbi in Pakulia. Ot der Tyrann, this tyrant, their murder, their Unmensch, this inhuman, hat mich weggefahren mit zwei Kinder, Pisklates, a Jingle mit a Mädel. This inhuman person sent me away with two children, Pisklates, I guess.
It's young children. It's young children, like, toddlers.
Little mouse to feed, I guess.
Yeah.
A boy with a girl, and they were indeed in these Dosen and Zay Taka, and I guess she's pointing to them because they're in the room now, right?
Yeah.
Der Graf Turnagel und von Paris, das ist mein Chaimka, Leben soll this is my Chaim, he should live long. Und sie, Liesenka, was ist Nebech, sie ist nicht gesessen in Ostrog, and my Lisa, which is for no reason been sitting in prison. Das ist mein Tochter Leachka. This is my daughter Leah.
Okay, thank you, David. We don't have time to finish it, so I think we will just, finish this.
Wait, can I ask a question? So is this our son and daughter, but they're supposed to be getting married? Am I?
Yeah, because they don't know.
They don't know. Okay, just checking.
Yeah. Only now they don't. Yeah, but
You're
you
spoiling
may,
the ending.
but you may
Wait,
have
it's there.
asked. You may have
Yes,
asked.
it's gonna get worse.
Yes, it's getting worse. You may have
It's
asked.
going to get worse before it gets better.
The mother was there all the time. Why did she let both of them romancier? She was there all the time, and she knew what's going on. Why? Yeah. Marsha? Marsha?
I'm sorry. Yeah, that's it's it's hard to understand. If she knows, somebody should recognize somebody. What is going on here? You know?
Okay, it's a parody. It's a parody. But what I want to ask is, if anyone want something, it sounds familiar to me. Du bist gerecht und sein Mishpat is gerecht.
We did a
Is
song.
anyone?
We did a song about 5 months ago. Gott und sein Mishpat is gerecht.
Exactly.
It's the
Exactly.
saying that Jews would say anytime there was a catastrophe or a disaster. That's how they would just say, God knows what he's doing. And his justice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks,
The
because
song.
I remember something. I just
Yeah.
couldn't put it in its place.
Yeah.
Okay. So we will stop. Well, we don't have enough time to finish this. We will do it next time. We will do it next time, but I will also send you another story, because this will be only a few moments to finish this. Any comments, any questions,
Does anybody think that, see, I couldn't figure out how when she said, yeah, that's my son, that's my daughter. So I thought maybe they got lost and they went away and maybe she didn't raise them, that they somehow became separated.
Yeah, she didn't raise them. They were telling us that the good people took them in, and
Right.
she went from place to place to find her husband so that he will give her a get, because she's an aguna, she's an abandoned woman. So
Yeah.
she went from place to place. But you don't have to
Don't take it literally. Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, because it's it's a parody on Shun, so you don't
It's a
have
farce.
there is no.
Yeah. Okay. Ich habe ein anderes Zoom, so I have to go to my next activity.
Marsha, yes, Marsha.
Yeah, it's hard to understand why Murderman didn't recognize her and she didn't, she recognized, I don't know. Okay.
Don't look for things.
Murder Man ran away when they were tiny little tots and they're all grown up. Why would he recognize them?
Oh, his own wife? He didn't recognize his own wife?
It's been years. It's been years and years.
But she was
No,
working,
you recognize people's eyes or something about them.
she's
That's
been working in his house. She was working in his house, whatever.
Yeah, but she was in the kitchen. He didn't
Whatever.
see her.
Watch daytime soap operas, and this is
Yes, it's a soap opera.
Yeah,
Totally a soap opera.
It's a
Yes.
soap opera, and you don't really look for any
Logic. No logic.
Right. No logic behind it. It's not supposed to be logical. It's supposed to be a parody, on these soap operas that were in writing. Shun literature was soap opera in writing, and so that's a parody on it. And I think it's a great parody because we don't stop laughing. So that's great.
Well, the next two lines are kind of sad.
Yeah. Well, but
right. The melodrama.
I know it's a pretty.
Sorry?
I know it's pretty superficial, but I still giggle every time I hear Mortal Man, like just so
Yeah.
casual. Mr. Mortal Man. Yeah.
Yeah. The next few lines are like in the opera. Everyone has to get out of the stage, so everyone dies. So get them away from the stage. So yeah, if you didn't, sorry for telling you.
Minna, I think you were right when you said in the beginning it was hilarious. It is totally hilarious.
It is totally hilarious, and I think we will do it this year, Barbara. Even if I have to translate it.
Great, that's great.
Yeah, for the Sholem Aleichem event of the Yiddish Winkel that we do every year, I think this year we will do this because it's really, you cannot stop laughing. Okay, so next week we will finish this, and I'll send you something that we read in the Yiddish Winkel when we used to meet when we in person. I think it's a great story. It's in the Slushbe, von der Slushbe, and it's a story about a Jewish soldier that likes this way, that for him, that's a good way of life. And that's really in contrast to everything that we know about Jews trying to get away from army service. So that will be the next story. So I will send it to you in a couple of days. I will send it to you. So that's it, guys. Wonderful to see you.
Wonderful to see you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much for reading, everyone. By the way, I'm barely literate, so like I can just barely follow along with the text, but I just don't want to embarrass myself too much.
Okay. 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 I hope you will keep coming.
Yeah.
So
I'm just busy. I'm not retired, so I have to really well make time for this. Wait, well then, thanks everyone. You have a great day.
You too, Daniel. Thank you.
Thank you, all of you. Bye. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye, everybody.